Alright guys, there's going to be a quick tip today. So, if you have this warning light, oops, it went away. That's not good. There you go. There's the warning light. Not the ABS light, we'll talk about that later, but the headlight leveling sensor warning light. I'm going to show you exactly what the problem is, or at least one potential problem that it could be, and show you how to do a quick, easy fix if it was installed incorrectly. Alright, so typically the culprit is that arm right there. So that is a sensor, and it goes to a potentiometer, and it should be forming an L. Right now it's forming a Z, so we're going to jack it up, we're going to take off that linkage, and we're going to reposition it. I just have it barely jacked up, but that'll give us access to just that end link bolt, and that's all we're really going to need to mess with. Do this one of two ways. You can either take off the whole end link, or at least loosen it up and pivot that bracket back there, or we can just take a 10mm and just take off this nut and pivot it. Loosen the actual headlight level nut, but I forgot that's actually captive, or at least in this case it does not want to come off. So I will need to take off the end link, or at least loosen it. I don't need to take it off completely, just need to loosen it. There's a little tab that locates it. Should be able to nudge it off of there. Give it a little bit of slack. So you see this linkage is actually supposed to be on the other side. So it's supposed to be vertical, like that. So this should be in line with that arm, and if you're lowered, you may want to change that just to give it a different input so that your headlights don't point up in a crazy direction. Anyway, so we're gonna now put that tab back in its location. I'll see if I can get the other side. Now if that's clear, just to see how that locks into the hole. And then with an impact, we should be able to get it back to torque. Tighten that nut, and we'll be good to go. Okay. And this is just one quick, simple way that you can get rid of that light in your dash if it's having a problem, or if your headlights are just acting up. This is the auto headlight rear level sensor, or a yaw sensor. There's another one on the front suspension control arm that sets the front ride height. So it compares the front and rear, and it aims the headlights accordingly. Alright, so let's see if we were able to fix it. Oh. Now that ABS light flashing code is a chassis code, so it could mean that one of the ABS sensors got pulled on and maybe got tampered with on one of the wheels, or it could be another chassis code that just needs to be read with a advanced code reader for Toyota with the extended chassis codes. Alright, it looks like that solved our headlight level issue. Thanks for watching. I'll try to come up with some little helpful hints like this every week.